Previously on Reek the Creator TV.
Just basically show y'all can cook up at your crib. This one that we about to do is the All-American, so it's a little more custom, a little more turned up with different cities, different stores. So overall, it's a dope vinyl. It's not regular texture. It's something that when you press it, it's like a rubber slash. It's my new little setup that I've been doing lately, as y'all can see. We're gonna go ahead and press them, and yeah. What's going on, nation? Y'all already know what it is, man. Reek the Creator back in the lab, and anytime we get together, y'all already know we cooking up some heat. So y'all already know what we about to do, man. Ain't even no question of that. We got some stacked joggers, stack fit sweatpants, whatever you want to call them, stack pants. I got 2 pair that I'm gonna do in the video. Of course, I'm only gonna do one. I'm actually gonna do both, but I'm only gonna film doing one so I can get through the video kind of quick. If you saw my last video, then you know we worked on this varsity jacket right here. And this varsity jacket basically is double layered flock or sueded vinyl. And it's basically brick vinyl on the sleeves or HD high density print on the sleeves. And yeah, I had basically did a release recently for my clothing brand, Creator Nation, our brand. Y'all already know what it is. These jackets are limited, and I made stack pants to go with it as an outfit. So I figured, why not make a video following up on the video of the varsity jacket, showing y'all how to do the stack pants as well, which is basically the same print, same exact material, just an alternative colorway because the pants is red and not blue. So the print on them is blue with the white. So it's layered blue suede on top of white, or layered blue flock on top of white. And yeah, man, that's what it is. Y'all know how we do, man. Time to cook up that heat. We're going to go on and bust these packs on open. See what these stack pants hitting for. I already done, did some before, so I know what they're hitting for. But it's like a new experience every time I'm working on a video with y'all. So I'm opening them up. We open them up together, and we're going to see what they're hitting for. They definitely good quality, though. These are some of my favorite pants. I done wore them a few times with the old design that I did. But since we switching up the designs, I had to record. And I don't know why I really just ain't been made a video showing y'all me cooking up the stack pants or whatever. So now that we in here, we got them. It's going down. Red, blue, white, all-American, limited edition. Only 50 of these being sold as well to match the jackets. And yeah, that's how we're going to do it, man. Let's get it. We're going to go ahead and cut these hang tags off because we don't need them. Now, if you want to, it's one hang tag on here that you can keep, which is the little circle one that say stacked fit, because it don't got no name or nothing on it. But it do have, I think, like they small logo. I can't remember if the little brain is the logo of this brand or not. It's like a little light bulb looking brain. But even if it is, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off because I don't need it at all. I'll put my own hang tags on here. But yeah, if you wanted to keep the circle hang tag, you could. And I just wanted to throw that in there, but I ain't keeping either one on. So I'm going to go ahead and clip both hang tags and move on to the next step of this process. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. All right, so now that we got that out the way, we can go ahead and take this tag out. Y'all know we got to do custom size tags like always. So we're going to rip that on off, and we're going to go ahead and take the actual size tags out of here using scissors and an X-Acto knife or any sharp item that you got that you can use to, lift up the thread, and how I do. So if y'all know, y'all seen the last video or any of my videos where I work on tags, y'all know I use my X-Acto knife to pop the threading up off of here. And once I get like 1 or 2 little pieces lift up, then I can go ahead and remove the tag. But it's pretty simple when it comes to that. We done did it a few times. If you've been following the journey, if you're new here, then, you get to see it for the first time. And yeah, we going custom tag on everything. You got to make it your own so that people can spend money with you, and also they see the value in spending money with you, and it don't just seem like, just another print brand or just another clothing brand. Like, you want your stuff to look authentic and official and worth the money. So me, I'm gonna take it all the way there every time, and we're gonna go fully custom because that's how we got to do it, man. Why not? You know what I mean? If you believe in your brand and you really have fun doing what you do, you're gonna go the extra mile for it. But yeah, let's get it, man. Got the tag out, and we good to go. Now that I got all that out and the tag is clean, I'm going to clean the last little piece up, get that little black stuff off of there, and then we good to go. Now we can move into the other tag because I forgot they do have a tag with the wash instructions, so we can clip that out as well. If you want to keep it, you can. If you want to keep it, I would say just clip it in half and clip the front part off their logo. That way you can keep the wash instructions, which is on the opposite side. I just had to show y'all that. But if you don't want to keep it at all and you're going to put your own instructions, you can clip the whole thing. So other than that, that's all of the tags and all of the little plastics and hang tags and everything that's on the pants. We're going to go ahead and jump into actually laying these out, getting ready to print them, cut all the vinyl out, and weed it out. Of course, y'all know how we do. So on to the next step, man. These finna come out real good. Y'all already know we don't cook up nothing but heat. That's why it's called Heat Wave Creations, where I print at, create a club, because we're going to be creative every time. And yeah, man, let's get it. And this blue vinyl is actually for the pants. The red vinyl is for, I got to finish up the back of the other jacket, because I never finished the second jacket in the last video. So the red is for that, and I got to pull out the white. But right now, we're going to load up this blue vinyl, and we're going to jump right into it and cut this on out. Now that we got the vinyl loaded up in here and it's ready to go, I got to change my blade right quick because I was cutting out regular HTV vinyl, and now we're doing flock. So I'm going to switch it to my 45-degree blade, and now we can go ahead and cut it on out. Let's get it. Now, I know everybody got their own vinyl software, so I make sure I speak on that in mostly all of my videos and say that right now, if you don't know what I'm doing, I'm cutting out the vinyl. And this for people that's kind of new to the world and probably, you know, just starting, because I know a lot of y'all watching and y'all been watching, but I'm cutting out my vinyl. The software that I'm using is Sign Master Cut, and then I have Vinyl Master Cut for the vinyl cutters that I got or whatever. So them the software that I'm using, but everybody's software is going to be different. You may be using the Cricut, you might be using a Silhouette Cameo, you may be using Rolling. So everything is going to be different. But right now, if you know about cutting out vinyl, then just work with your vinyl cutter to cut out the get the right settings and cut out your flock vinyl the same way if you're trying to do this, or you know, any type of cutouts. You already know how that go. But if you don't know, that's what I was doing, using the software to cut out the vinyl, which is what you see right now. And we loading up the white vinyl now. Once the white vinyl is cut out, that's it. We're going to cut all of it out. And then we're going to go ahead and jump into the weeding and the pressing. Bet Nation, we lit. We got all the vinyl cut out, man, white and blue for both. And it's time to go ahead and press them on up. I had to get y'all a little close up right quick, let y'all to see what it look like. Let y'all see where we going with it. If you haven't seen the last video, then you new to this, so you don't know exactly what the setup gonna be. But overall, this is the alternative to match the jacket. And we about to cook up right quick. Heat press already warm, so let's jump into it. So in my last video, I didn't mention the actual settings that I used when pressing these pants and pressing flock vinyl, so I felt like I should go ahead and mention it in this video. And sometimes I actually just don't mention stuff so that y'all have to interact with me, man. So y'all are coming and ask questions and be engaged with what I got going on. But yeah, I wanted to mention that. So the pressure for this is medium pressure, so set your heat press to medium pressure. The temperature is 305 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you would press it for 10 to 12 seconds. And it is a warm/hot peel, but me personally, I actually just wait till it cool all the way down for flock vinyl most of the time. But depending on the color, you can peel it off as a warm peel. But I felt that I should mention it in this video for anybody that's watching. So 10 to 12 seconds of pressing time, medium pressure, warm/hot peel, and then 305 degrees Fahrenheit to get your heat press settings right. And yes, it can be layered, as y'all can see in this video, of course. And of course, it can go on cotton, poly cotton blends, and all that good stuff. So I would say if you want something that's close to like a a real embroidered type material, or a real like just a garment type feel, something that feel like it's actually just not vinyl, like a shiny vinyl print or something like that, you would want to go with the Flock suede vinyl, because that's going to be the closest thing that you get to like an embroidered patch, especially when you layer it. But yeah, we got the pants ready to go. We're going to go ahead and do this white. I already done pressed this part, so we're going to peel that on off. And yeah, we're going to put the blue on top of the white. It's really simple at this point now that you know the settings. Medium pressure, once again, 10 to 12 seconds, 305 degrees Fahrenheit. Warm peel. Y'all see I peeled that off right away, so I didn't even waste no time. And yeah, that's it. We're going to put the blue on top of it and then come back for the other side with a 13, and that's going to be it. And you just want to make sure you press everything a few times to make sure that it's down. So when they wash and dry your stuff, it lasts. But with this type of vinyl, I never really have any complaints, because Flock, like I said, is the closest thing you're going to get to like a garment. So yeah, man, we good to go. Let's run through this part, and then we're going to take it to the photo room when we one and done with everything after we do the tag. We got the blue up here now. The layering is coming to life. These pants about to be so fire, bro. I ain't gonna cap. I'm stashing one of these for me, the pants and the jacket. I ain't gonna hold you. I hate it because I be like having to always steal some of my own brand, bro, because people always end up with all my stuff. Like I be done gave away my personal stuff, sold all the stuff, then I can't get no inventory to get my own outfit. But not this. It's too far for me not to have this set up. So I ain't gonna lie, I'm stashing this small set. For real, for real. But yeah, this coming to life. We cooking up. We gonna keep it pushing and jumping to them tags, like I said. Bet we at the end of the road now, y'all. We got the 13 layered on there, and that's it. Had to go and peel that on up off of there. We're gonna press it one more time to make sure it's down. Y'all know I got a double press. And then also with these pants, when you press it, it changes the color a little bit, because you know it's gonna fade. So what I do is I'll press it all the way down the leg to make the color balance back out, and then everything be faded the same color. You don't want the red looking light, or you don't want that iron burn, which is like the outside, since you pressing them and they hanging off the heat press. But that's it, y'all. Now we got the tag ready. We finna knock that on out, and then this photo room vibes, man. Take it on in the photo room, get real pictures, go ahead and bring it to life for the Instagram, the Twitter, the Facebook, and then also just, you know, let y'all see what the finished outcome look like and make sure everything match up next to each other. So run through these size tags, or this size tag rather, and then we through. And like that, we done, man. That's it. Creator Nation University, Creator University varsity jackets, Creator stack pants to go with it to match up to make it an outfit and a set. Limited 1 of 50 quantity, man. Flock vinyl, high density vinyl, suede, whatever you want to call it, like I always say. And yeah, that's what it is. I had to show y'all this cook up and follow up on the last video. And yeah, the stack pants came out real dope. The look came out real dope. I appreciate y'all for watching and tuning in. And to see more videos, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up this video and share it. And yeah, we on to the next video, next project, man. Flock vinyl, high density vinyl, size tags, fully custom, premium apparel, right from the crib with a heat press and a vinyl cutter. And that's how we coming all year, man. 2024 Heat Wave Creations, Creator Nation, Creator Club podcast on the way. Let's go.